Hi friends, welcome to Relax and Confident. Today we see about a special type of walking in our channel. Before this video, we saw about our important daily routines for a healthy life. In that video, I told that every day we want to do any one of exercises. For kids, it's easy to do all type of exercises, but for elders, mainly women people, we can't do all type of exercises. So here I will explain about a easy and wonderful healthy exercise, that is 8 type walking practice. In general, for walking we went out and cover 1 or 2 streets for an hour or half an hour. But now in this COVID-19 pandemic situation, we can't roam outside. Other than this, many people not like to roam outside for walking. For that, we can practice a simple 8 type walking in our terrace or veranda or inside our house or inside our compound. Open space is always good for walking, but if there is no open space, then it will be okay. We can practice it inside our house or in a small space too. Here we will see how we can do this and what is the benefits of this type of walking and who can do it and who can't do it. We can see all the things in this video. First, we see the uses of this walking. It is mainly used to improve our brain function and our body hemoglobin level. In our daily life, somebody can't do their regular work too. They got tired very quickly. Somebody felt always sleepy. Because of that, sometimes we missed some important works and events and always got scolded from others as lazy guy, like that. These all are not because of us. Our hemoglobin level and body cells only responsible for all that things. Less hemoglobin of our blood cells makes us lazy and sleepy. If we do this 8 type walking, we can really see the changes in our life. For hemoglobin improvement, we want to take iron content foods like greens, dates, banana, etc. If we do this type of walking, hemoglobin improvement is excellent level. Now see who all are not allowed to do this 8 type walking. First thing, pregnant women cannot do this type of walking. Pregnant ladies are not allowed to do this type of walking. And then cancer patients. This type of walking multiplies our body cells daily. So the sick cancer patients can't practice this. They won't practice because their body cells doubles, then they sick very severely. So cancer patients don't practice this. Now we see how we want to do this. For this type of walking, we want a space of 12 feet into 6 feet, north to south facing or south to north facing. First we want to mark 12 feet from north to south, and then 6 feet. 6 feet is from east to west. So we want 12 into 6, 12 feet facing north to south and 6 feet facing east to west, like that. In this we want to mark all the center points. If 6 feet we mark, then 3 feet we can mark the center point. Like that 12 feet we can mark the center point as 6 feet, like that. In this 12 into 6 box, now we can draw a shape like 8 with the help of center points. Now the 8 is ready for our walking. Now we can practice walk. First we want to start from north side to south side. We want to start from north. We can walk around the 8. How we write like that? How we write like that shape? We want to walk from north to south. Totally we want to walk at least 30 minutes for fully. We want to separate that as 2 parts. First north to south as 15 minutes, and then south to north again 15 minutes. So totally 30 minutes. If we have more time, then we can split the time as 2 parts. One part is first north to south, finished after we can start south to north. Like this we want to do daily. Morning half an hour or more than that. Like that evening also we want to do half an hour or more than that. If we have only time in the morning or only in the evening, we can do one time only. If we have lot of time, then we can practice it in the morning and evening. How much we do it, that much we can get the benefits. By practicing this, we can control our blood pressure, blood sugar, and lung diseases like cold, cough, anything. And we can improve our brain activities too. In olden times, the Tamil Siddha peoples introduced this type of walking. In this diseaseful world, this is a golden opportunity for improve our health by this 8 type walking. By this walking only we can control our body weight also. So daily practice this 8 type walking and stay healthy. Thank you. Please subscribe, share, watch again. Thank you.